folks. How's it going? Ready for another immersive 360 degrees tour of a really cool place? Today, I'm taking you to explore a part of Petrópolis, in the district of Itaipava. This place is about an hour and a half away from Rio de Janeiro. We're here specifically for an annual event, Oktoberfest. This festival is set up in the Municipal Park of Petropolis and offers a wide range of outdoor activities suitable for all ages. There are sports courts, a bike path, bike rentals, walking trails, picnic areas, snack bars, a sand ring, space for concerts, and popular festivities. The Municipal Park of Petropolis is the largest public leisure area in the city, covering 150,000 square meters. It hosts the biggest events and exhibitions in Petrópolis, including horse shows and agricultural fairs in recent years. Oktoberfest is the world's largest folk festival, attracting over 5 million visitors annually in Germany, specifically in Munich, Bavaria. Despite its name, Oktober is a German word meaning October. The festival starts in September and lasts for about 2 weeks, ending the following month. It all began in 1810 as a celebration of the wedding of Prince Ludwig of Bavaria and his wife, Teresa. Since then, every year, locals and tourists are invited to come together, savor German cuisine, enjoy plenty of beer, and have a blast with their families and loved ones at a well-organized and safe event. Since not everyone can be in Germany, a representation of the real Oktoberfest takes place in various cities across Brazil. The one in Petrópolis has become one of the city's major events. It draws tourists, boosts the local economy, creates jobs, and has a sustainable focus. It's been growing with each new edition. As you can see around us, we've got lots of traditional food, music, performances, and plenty of beer. We arrived early, so it's not too crowded yet, but people are slowly arriving, finding their spots, eating, and having a great time in this authentic German atmosphere. Now, let's enjoy this performance with the background music. And as we're wrapping up, you can see how many people have gathered here. We hope you enjoyed this virtual visit to the Municipal Park of Petropolis and getting to know Petrópolis Oktoberfest. If you want to explore more incredible places and discover more enchanting corners of Brazil, don't forget to follow us on this channel, give us a thumbs up, and share our channel with friends. Until the next adventure.